tend to think about endpoint security being our computer and our laptop and maybe our tablet and our mobile device, which a lot of people listening to this might not think, well, that doesn't have anything to do with my endpoint, right? That's not my laptop. That's not my computer. That's not what I'm responsible for. But I remember in one of our other conversations, because you said the Xbox at home on the home network, and I even said, hey, if I'm going to come in the door, I'm going to come in the back door and it's going to be through your TV.
Whether it's your son's Xbox that's in your home network, or your list of endpoints in your office, the ability for a security operations center team to either isolate or remediate or shut down a machine that they're seeing suspicious activity of is super important.
Having that kind of intelligence enables you to go ahead and dig deeper and know how to protect your business further from that happening again.
At the end of the day, that EDR is going to have enough intelligence to go, I don't know what this is. Let's put up a forefront. It's going to question other EDRs. It's going to question other endpoints. It's going to question other MDRs to identify, do you guys know what the heck this is? And what should I do with it? Should I let it go through? Should I stop it? That's part of the intelligence behind that EDR.
There's too many things that are happening in today's threat landscape. And cybercrime is occurring at unprecedented levels. And so hardly a week goes by that the news doesn't carry a story of a large organization falling victim to whether it is information theft or network intrusion or other forms of cyber attacks.
SMB people, small businesses, you guys think that your information is not important. It's important to you, and the guys who made an industry out of this thing know that, and they're gonna seize it where you can't operate your business until you give them money, right? Every one of us is vulnerable. It's not a matter of if, but when.